Creative movement and dance in my school. To adopt creative movement and dance, CMD, it was necessary to organize classes dedicated to it. Qualified teachers helped children understand what creative movement and dance are, told them about their benefits, and taught them this form of dance step by step. It was not going fast, as at first, children are hard to attract to an activity before they feel engaged in it. Over some time, they seemed to start understanding what CMD is about and became interested in the classes. After that, the progress became rapid, and children were able to acquire new skills and movements much faster. Classes are conducted in the way that a teacher explains a new type of movement, and then children try to replicate it. This can be done by demonstrating it to them or with cards with movements depicted on them, which is commonly used as well. After that, most sessions continue with the teacher helping children to perform the movement on their own, and at the end, they try to implement the new movement and dance. The creative movement and dance classes are conducted once a week, which is sufficient for children who need time for rest as well. It seems that the learning process is going well in such conditions, and therefore it is safe to say that such frequency is appropriate. Even though more classes would not be harmful to children, it is necessary to consider that CMD is still a difficult activity with a cognitive component engaged. With a load of kids at school and homework, it is crucial to understand how to organize such activities in a way they do not take too much time but is still beneficial and efficient. Moreover, if the classes were conducted more often, children might get less interested in them, which would negatively affect their engagement, as they would not enjoy CMD as much. The materials and equipment include different types of scarves, wands, rings, and ribbons, as well as movement cards that children can look at and replicate. Most of the equipment is not crucial or necessary, the activities can be done without it, yet children seem to like it more when equipment is engaged. It provides an additional level of creative opportunities, which is significant for CMD. It is common that children require physical objects which are related to an activity to be more engaged in it, which is not that significant in adults. Nevertheless, the equipment used is efficient for children, and therefore its necessity is determined by the result. Children seem to be very happy and satisfied with their creative movement and dance classes. There are various benefits that CMD has, but one of the primary ones which are very noticeable is the connection children develop with each other during classes, active communication, and the fun they get from the activity. Over time, children look much more creative in their movements, which is related to their overall creativity and cognitive abilities as well. Practicing CMD might result not only in their physical well-being but in their learning and creative skills too. What is apparent at the moment, children are interested in CMD, as it feels natural to them to dance and have fun. It elevates their mood, provides them with an extra type of communication with peers and adults, and is a way to express themselves.